For 21, austere, adjective stringent. Synonyms, rigid, inflexible. Antonyms, flexible, gentle. Sentence, Anu has an austere family background. For 22, exasperation, noun, anger. Synonyms, rage, displeasure. Antonyms, delight, cheer. Sentence, exasperation was clearly visible from his face. For 23, dour, adjective, bad-tempered. Synonyms, rude, blunt. Antonyms, kind, polite. Sentence, in a dour voice, the police officer ordered the suspect out of his vehicle. For 24, cavort, verb, jump about playfully. Synonyms, prank, play. Antonyms, work, study. Sentence, a kid was cavorting around the corner. For 25, behindhand, adjective, procrastinating. Synonyms, delaying, laggard. Antonyms, diligent, eager. Sentence, I don't like behindhand mindset of the people. For 26, frore, adjective, frosty. Synonyms, snowy, wintry. Antonyms, warm, heated. Sentence, she woke up to a frore morning in America. For 27, abortive, adjective, failed. Synonyms, futile, fruitless. Antonyms, profitable, fruitful. Sentence, the rebel officers who led the abortive coup were shot. For 28, pervert, verb, mix up. Synonyms, jumble, twist. Antonyms, clear up, organize. Sentence, the boy started to pervert the poem when he could not remember the words. For 29, Stygian, adjective, dark, inky. Synonyms, clouded, brunette. Antonyms, optimistic, hopeful. Sentence, it was a Stygian night. For 30, tout, verb, brag about, show off. Synonyms, publicize, trumpet. Antonyms, blame, condemn. Sentence, a liberal group supporting the opposition tried to tout their pro-middle class. For 31, ellipsis, noun, abbreviation. Synonyms, abstract, shortness. Antonyms, elongate, prolong. Sentence, this letter is full of ellipsis. For 32, extirpation, noun, extermination. Synonyms, annihilation, destruction. Antonyms, construction, formation. Sentence, after the extirpation of the Indians, the labor of African slaves was introduced. For 33, foppish, adjective, dapper. Synonyms, dandified, natty. Antonyms, non-fashionable, boring. Sentence, he always dress up in a foppish way. For 34, gaffe, noun, mistake, goof. Synonyms, blooper, blunder. Antonyms, correction, addition. Sentence, the gaffe created a furor in the scientific community, which attacked the publication for flawed and faulty research. For 35, minatory, adjective, threatening. Synonyms, alarming, dangerous. Antonyms, pleasing, harmless. Sentence, and now we know for all time that these countless scolding and minatory voices were not mere angry units, but that they were in. For 36, plumb, adjective, vertical. Synonyms, perpendicular, straight. Antonyms, horizontal, flat. Sentence, the plumb lines near the well were for protection. For 37, quintessential, adjective, model. Synonyms, ultimate, ideal. Antonyms, secondary, flawed. Sentence, but in reality, he is the quintessential example of how Pakistan corrupts. For 38, runic, adjective, bewitching, charming. Synonyms, charismatic, enchanted. Antonyms, normal, unmoving. Sentence, my uncle looked keenly at the document for some moments and then declared that it was runic. For 39, pontificate, verb, sermonize. Synonyms, admonish, dogmatize. Antonyms, praise, applaud. Sentence, he loves to hear himself talk and will often pontificate on even the most trivial issues. For 40, bromide, noun, platitude. Synonyms, cliché, banality. Antonyms, coinage, original saying. Sentence, years of coal mining and natural gas extraction have elevated the concentration of bromides in the river. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.